just jumped on the elevator and I'm going up this tree, so I ain't gotta go climbing through all this poison sumac because I hate vines. And I'm gonna take and rig my rope. And then I'm gonna go back down a little bit and start dropping limbs. This thing is full of stinking vines. I keep this little 16-ounce throw ball on me, and it helps me get my rope where I want it. That was good, first shot. My son is on a tractor, he pulled me up. I don't know about y'all, but I try to pay attention to everything, but I've taught him every time you stop, you put it in neutral, because I don't have one of them. I got the old school tractor where you gotta push the clutch in, because I don't like them whatchamajigger things. All right, come forward. All right, now I'm completely on my own rigging. I'm gonna untie this. All right. Untie that and bring it all the way around the tree and put it back there about where the tractor was at, or somewhere. You may have to move it around a little bit so it don't get covered up with any limbs, and then we'll go from there. We'll take it from there in a minute. I'm gonna trim some stuff out your way first. Them sumac vines are everywhere. This tree is covered in them. I'm not allergic to it, just the vines in general are aggravating. hang tight. All right, bring it, come on. Pull all your slack with you. Let me drop this limb right here first, and then you can go over the top of it. Huh. Okay, go that way. Keep going. All right, put it off in that corner back there. We're just getting started. We did the pine tree yesterday. I'm not wanting to get in no hurry no more, guys, girls. I got rid of all that. I ain't interested in getting rich. I ain't interested in getting rich. This way, I'm out of my way.